Want to grow your business and stay ahead in your industry? It all starts with understanding your competition. In this video, we'll explain competitor analysis and how to do it effectively. What is competitor analysis? Competitor analysis is the process of identifying your key rivals and studying their strategies. It gives you insights into what they're doing right, what they're doing wrong, and how you can gain a competitive edge. Step 1. Identify your competitors. Start by listing your direct competitors, those offering the same products or services. Then, look at indirect competitors who meet similar customer needs in a different way. Step 2. Gather key information. Research their products, pricing, social media presence, customer reviews, and marketing techniques. Look for what makes them successful and where they might be lacking. Step 3. Analyze strengths and weaknesses. Evaluate what they do well and where they fall short. Compare their performance with your own to spot growth opportunities. Step 4. Apply the insights. Use what you've learned to fine-tune your strategy, improve your offerings, and better serve your customers. Conclusion. Competitor analysis isn't just about watching your rivals, it's about sharpening your game. Stay informed,